You guys know how much I love Ipsy. Come with me as we check out what's inside this bag this month. Get your blush popping with this beautiful shade called Seashell from Seraphine Botanicals. Extra shine in rosy pink from Gitano Beauty. Wake up your eyes with Tarte's Fake Away Eye Highlighter. Clean your face with Real Chemistry's Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser. Tell bumps to beat it with Frank Body's Glycolic Body Scrub. BoxyCharm is it. Get 5 full-size products in this box. It's gonna be so much fun using this cute hot pink eye makeup brush set from La Rouche Beauty. Elevate your lip care with Ciate London's Watermelon Burst 2-in-1 Lip Balm and Mask. Dr. Golden Fathom's Overnight Creamy Facial Moisturizer. Lyth's UHD Brow Sculpt. This easy-to-use brow sculpting gel will tame your brows. The colors are so beautiful and timeless. Check out Laura Geller's Wildflower Wishes.